Welcome back to the Quick Dart Programming course. In this class, we are going to discuss about the use of label in Dart programming. The concept of this label we already know from our previous programming languages, C language and Java language. We already discussed this concept of label. Means label and go to statement is used in order to move to that label. This is what we have done in C and Java. But here in Dart programming, a light difference is there in order to use this label. What's the difference? In which situations we are going to use this label concept will be discussed with examples. Now coming to the first use of label in loops. See here, in order to mention the label outer loop, this is a label and colon will be used. In order to mention it, the syntax for label will be like this. So we have mentioned a label in the program main of inside the program we have mentioned a label. Now we are having for I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 3, I plus plus. Inside this loop we are having j is equal to 0, j less than or equal to 3, j plus plus. Inside this loop we are having print statement and a conditional statement. See, understand properly. This print statement and conditional statements are inside the inner loop. So if you want to skip the loop, outer loop, we have to mention continue statement in the outer loop. But from the inside of the inner loop, we can skip the outer loop. That is what one of the use of label. See how it's executing. For j is equal to 0, j less than or equal to 3, j plus plus. It is going to display ij. Whenever if j is equal to 1, continue outer loop means the execution jumps to the label. Continue outer loop. So what's the output you are going to get in this program? For I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, j is equal to 1 will be displayed. Whenever j is equal to 1, execution moving to the outer loop here means it is going to skip the remaining. So I is equal to 1 will be executed. For I is equal to 1, j is equal to 0, j is equal to 1 again means 1 0 1 1 will be displayed. So whenever j is equal to 1 again move to the outer loop. So the outer loop is moving to the I is equal to 2, 2 is equal to 2 0 2 1 again 3 0 3 1. This is how we are going to skip the outer loop using the label statement. So anyhow, in place of this continue statement, we can use break statement also. In order to use the label, we can go with continue or break statement. This is one of the advantages we are having using label in Dart programming. And coming to the second use of label is switch statement. Inside the switch statement, we are going to use label and jumping to the next case. How we are going to do that? Case A, there are some set of coding lines and we have mentioned a condition. If condition, continue CP. CP is a label that has written on case B. So from here it is jumping to CP. Whenever this condition met, you display the case B also. So the execution starts from here and it keeps on executing the case B statements and it is going to break here. This is the second use of a label in Dart programming. So in order to write the label, CP colon is the syntax for label. Hope you understand the concept of label and its uses in Dart programming. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.